In this short tutorial, we are gonna fix Steam app not released problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying solutions. The first solution is removing MW3 free trial from our game files. First, we need to close Steam completely. To do this, we go to Show Hidden Icons and close Steam. After doing this, right-click on Steam and then click Run as admin. After opening Steam, click on Library from the top, then right-click on COD and open Properties. Click on DLC on the left side. After doing this, we untick free trial. We need to untick this because free trial causes problems. After doing this, click on Installed Files and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. The verification process may take some time. We have verified our game files. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the alternative solution. Also, don't forget to like the video if you haven't already. The alternative solution is download the game from Battle.net. Since the problem is not on Battle.net at the moment, you can download the game from Battle.net and play without any problems. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.